In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Chatgpt lagging and slow responses. Alright guys, so keep in mind that not much of this is really in your control. Alright, so first thing is first, if you are using Chatgpt and you don't need it to do web searches, just make sure to click off of the web search. Just click on the X next to the blue search icon here. That will definitely save time on prompt responses. Now, what we also want to do is go to wherever your profile icon is and hit log out. And then all you want to do is log back in. This can at times fix the problem. Next is if you are using Chatgpt on your browser, you just want to go to the top right of your browser, those three dots. You want to click on settings. In settings, you want to go to privacy and security. And then you want to click on delete browsing data. And make sure your cookies and other sites are selected. And then you need to set your time range, so you can do all time, you can do in the last few weeks or so, and then just hit delete data, and hopefully that fixes your problem. Now, also keep in mind this could be a Chatgpt server issue, so what you want to do is just Google search, is Chatgpt down or Chatgpt down or status, and then you can navigate to down detector or any type of website that can give you Chatgpt status, and you'll see at 12 a.m. there were reported outages with Chatgpt. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope one of those can fix your problem. Do keep in mind that sometimes it's just a hardware constraint. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe guys, and I'll see you in the next video.